Is it too cold for you guys? How come Jaden's in?
Just Jaden.
Jaden's immune to this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
The dog's in.
The waves are knocking them over.
I'm videoing. Well, that's the best thing is the waves. When there's storms and thunder and lightning and everything, like it's crazy. They shut this beach down because the waves come in so high.
Really?
Yeah.
Like how high?
Depending on what kind of storm, like hurricanes and stuff, quite high.
Oh, that's true. See my red and green rock? My red green rock. I'll have to duct tape it to something.
Oh, you're funny. Thanks, I needed to laugh. Kaylin, get back in. Are you not going to do it?
Nah.
Yeah.
It's kind of cold.
Kind of cold. It's ocean water. Well, it's Bay of Fundy, but ocean water. Too cold?
That's terrible.
Are you cooled off?
Can we swim somewhere else?
No, this is this is where you came to get cooled off.
Oh, the hose is friggin' better.
Yeah.
Well, you're not hot anymore, right?
I was never too hot to need this.
Alright, this is like torturous. Look at Jaden, he's falling
Jaden's
over.
loving it.
Didn't you
His
say we
arms
had?
are right red.
Didn't you say we had a couple
He's
options?
gonna be numb.
This is the options. We went to the first one. This is the second one. Same water.
Oh, that's first one, and this is second one.
What?
Is this what you're saying? Number 1, 2, and 3.